There are several different question types in a Google form. If I click on a question, that will make the question active. I can then make different edits to the question. Here we are with the question types. If I click on the drop-down menu, it will bring up all of the different question types that are available to me. Let's go through them. Short answers are appropriate when you want the user to type one word or very short one-line answers. Paragraphs are appropriate when you want the user to type in a lot of text. As the user types, the text box will continue to expand as long as they continue to type. Multiple choice is where the user can select one correct answer out of a set of choices. Checkbox allows the user to select more than one answer out of a set of choices. The drop-down menu allows the user to select one answer from a drop-down menu, very similar to what we have here. File upload allows the user the ability to be able to upload different types of files at different sizes directly into the Google form. Linear scale gives the opportunity for the user to select on a scale of 1 to 5. A multiple choice grid gives the opportunity to select one answer per line based on a set of criteria. Checkbox grid allows the user to select more than one answer on each line based on a set of criteria. The date allows the user to select a specific date. The time allows the user to select a specific time.